Hi, welcome to Tamanna's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make chicken fry just like how you get in KFC. It's a 4-step process. I have taken about 150 grams to 200 grams of chicken. First, I am going to flatten this chicken. It's so thick, so I want it flattened. This is bone and boneless together. Just flatten your pieces. I've flattened all the pieces and cut it into small sizes just like this. Now step 2, I've taken about 50 grams of curd. I'm going to add some salt, add some water, whisk it well. Now in this I'm going to add all the chicken. I'm going to marinate this for 1 to 1.5 hours. Now after 1 hour, we need to drain the chicken well. Now we need to marinate the chicken. For that we need first garlic sauce. I don't have garlic sauce, so I am taking 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, red chili powder, some mixed herbs, pepper powder, green chili sauce, some tomato sauce, and some salt. Now I am going to mix this well. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of milk and mix it well. I am going to marinate this overnight, or if you don't have so much time, at least marinate for 4 hours for best results. The chicken has been marinating overnight. Now I have taken 200 grams of maida in a bowl and some salt. This is cold water. Do not take room temperature water. In a bowl, take really cold water. Now take the chicken, take the chicken pieces one by one. This is the first coat, so just turn over. This is enough. First coat, just coat it evenly and keep it. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to dip this in the cold water until 4 counts. Just watch. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. And now I'm going to put this back in the flour. Like this, I'm going to do to the remaining pieces. Now this is the crucial step. I've dipped it in cold water and I've put it in the flour. Now your palm should not touch the chicken. It should be only the flour. Put a lot of flour and mix it well like this. Mix it nicely. This is how it should look after the second coating. Now once you finish the second coating, immediately try to fry it. Otherwise it will leave out moisturizer and you will not get the crispy. Suppose if it leaves out the moisturizer, then again do the second step. The last process, do it again and keep it on side. When you're coating, in between, sieve the flour like this. So that you get the crumbles, and put this away. We don't want this. We want only flour. Heat sufficient of oil in a pan. In medium hot flame, I am going to drop in the chicken pieces one by one. Now see, the color is turned golden brown. Now it's time to take. I'm going to keep this in a wire rack. Now I've kept this in a wire rack. See how is the texture. Do not keep it in a tissue paper. If you keep it in tissue paper, it will leave out its crispiness. I'm going to open one and show you. Just see how it is. So that's kind of KFC chicken from Tamanna's Kitchen. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.